Dan, how did you get involved in GNoTE?
Well, I was talking to Karen and Anand, and we are just like trying to figure out, or we had the same problem. We're like all evangelists by title, but there's like no real networking group. And we were just like looking around if there is something, because you see it in all the other different businesses, there's like all those groups where you can just like join. And we just felt there's a need for something new, and we talked to a couple of people, they were all really interested. And so we thought that's a great thing to do. So we gave it a shot and tried to found the company, the team, get GNoTE started, and do a conference to kickstart the whole thing.
What company are you evangelizing for today?
So now I'm at Yahoo, evangelizing the developer network. We have a big set of APIs that people can use. And before I did the similar thing for eBay, where I was on the web services there.
What exactly does an evangelist do day to day?
Day to day, it's like completely different from day to day. I do a lot of internal work, which is the internal evangelism, getting the infrastructure set up, building new products, helping properties or what departments in other companies to come out with new web services. Then I also write code, example code, do developer relations, and yeah, the public speaking, the more present thing when I go to conferences and talk about what we're doing, what we learned, and all those kinds of things.
What do you hope to get out of GNoTE?
Well, I think it's like we want to build an organization that's healthy, where people just enjoy joining and have the network effect. For me personally, I just like to build something that's useful, that people like and enjoy, and that brings value to others.
Who does a technology evangelist normally report to within a company?
So for me, it's like my manager is the head of the developer network, and we're within the product strategy group in Yahoo, where we try to push out all the innovative things to Yahoo, open up Yahoo on the API side, and also internally starting creating new products and get that into the product process.
What type of company should have a technology evangelist?
I think every company that's doing something new, that's doing something interesting, who just want to share what they're doing and get some momentum behind their products. And if they want to offer support for their products, build a community around it, then you should have evangelists. And I think there's nothing wrong with having that.
So how does one become a technology evangelist? What sort of background do you need?
Well, it's different from each company, it's different from each position, but I think the main what you should bring to it is like technical background, so that you know what you're doing, what you're talking about, and then if you like to be communicating to people, you like to talk, you like to write, and just like an interesting position that changes every day, like you like change and you want to do something interesting.
So I understand you're originally from Germany. How did you end up here?
That's correct, yeah. I did an internship at IBM before, where I met my now wife, and we were going back and forth between Germany and the US for quite a while, until I finally decided to quit my job in Germany, come here, and then I started as a technology evangelist.
Who is your audience as a technology evangelist? I mean, who are you really trying to reach out to?
Mainly developers. But there's also a lot of other people, business people, who are interested. And for us, like the Yahoo Web Services, what they can build, how they can use it to build a business on top of what our data offers or our services offer. So the audiences are different. I have like technical talks. I work directly with developers to build products. And then I also work on the other side with business people who just like see the offerings and try to figure out what they can build on top of it.
What do you hope will come out of GNoTE today and moving ahead?
So I hope that people just like the event, that they find it useful, that it brings value to them, and that they feel like they want to do that again, interested in coming to another event, just like networking, and that there's a big benefit. And I already felt it. I talked to people and they're like really happy about having such kind of event, just like to network with the technology evangelists, which you don't find anywhere else for now.